Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here going to show you or discuss with you how to fix your Discord microphone after it suddenly stops working. Also, it would be really awesome if you like this video and subscribe to our channel. So let's get started. So in this case, if you're having problems with your Discord microphone here and it suddenly stops working whenever you're chatting with someone or with your friends in a server, well, there are a few things here that you may want to check. Now, first things first is you want to guarantee that you didn't mute yourself. Now, usually at the bottom left of your screen, you should see the microphone icon here. Now, if you do see it red, it means that you're currently muted. So you may want to press this one to unmute yourself, and that should actually make, or your friends should now be able to hear you on the server. But just in case that does not work, you may want to also check the actual device or your actual microphone. Now, usually microphones would have a built-in mute button on it, and in this case, if you do press the mute button on your microphone here, it will not show up directly on your screen here. So just make sure that you unmute yourself on your actual device. So go ahead and press that unmute button or mute button in your microphone. Now, next thing that you may want to do here is you want to check your settings. So in this case, in Discord, you want to go and click on the gear icon at the bottom left here, and you want to go ahead and go to your voice or your sound here, so voice and video. Now, in here, you should see your input device. Now, you could do is you could just click on it and just make sure that you're using the correct microphone here. So in this case, in some cases, you may have it incorrect setup. So go and choose the correct one. Now, in here, if it's actually working, you should see like, for example, this section here, as you can see, input sensitivity. You should see it turn green whenever you're talking. So this is an indicator here that your microphone is now working. Now, another thing that you may want to do here is you may want to also choose voice activity instead of push to talk here. Now, if you do choose push to talk here, you need to press a specific button in order for you to start talking. So if you just want to start talking whatever way you want, choose voice activity. Now, from here, there are other things that you may want to do here, like for example, for the advanced settings. Now, you may want to also turn off echo cancellation here. Sometimes it actually, in this case, disables or mutes yourself. So this is kind of weird. This actually happened to me before. So just turn off voice processing here and see if that helps. And also you may want to turn off video hardware acceleration here and see if that also helps. Now also, this is also kind of a weird one. For noise suppression here, you may want to set this to none or to standard and see if that actually helps, because sometimes Crisp actually bugs out Discord here. But then again, go and just switch over to none or standard here and see if that actually helps. Now if you're using none or standard here, try using Crisp, so vice versa. Now, if none of this actually work, the best and last thing that you could try doing here is to force restart Discord. Now, what I mean by force restarting it here is you not only just click on the X button at the top right here, you also basically turn off Discord in the background. Now, usually to do that, you just need to go to the bottom right here and you should see this arrow here. You could go and just click on it. Now, you should see Discord icon here. It means it's still running in the background. So in this case, you want to right click on it, click on quick Discord, and that should shut down Discord fully in your background. As you can see, it's no longer there. Now you want to open up Discord again and basically see if that actually helps. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.